Hello children, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Before going to start our class, we will do one small warm-up activity. Are you ready children? Good. This activity is good for our fingers. Okay? It is a small exercise for our fingers. Okay, then all of you keep your hands like this. And you have to close your hands from your little finger. Close them slowly. Then count starting from your little finger. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Shall we do it again? Okay then, start it. Close your fingers. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. And then one more is there. Join your ring finger and thumb finger and do it like this. Okay? We will do both at a time. Ready children? Start. Close your fingers and count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now join your fingers. Do it like this. Okay children? Try to do it little bit fast. Isn't it? Okay. Well children, here in last class we completed revision for chapter 1 building with bricks. Today we are going to revise the second chapter which is long and short. Before going to start the chapter, we will memorize once about place value system and number system which is useful in our daily life. Okay children? Children, here I have some pens. Can you say how many pens I have? How will you say how many pens I have? You will start counting from 1. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pens I have? 7 pens. Okay. So this means these 7 are 1 to 7 are what we will say these are numbers. Okay children. All these are numbers. You know very well about numbers. We know that each number is made up of digits that holding a special value within the number. Okay children. Oh, now what is digit? Children, what is digit? Can anyone say that? A digit is one of the 10 single digits 0 to 9. Here we can see the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all are digits. By using these digits, we can frame numbers. Each digit in a number is worth just by where it's placed in the number. What is meant by place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number basis on its position. To understand place value, we need to look at our number system. Here we have two types of number systems. One is Indian system of numeration, another one is international system of numeration. We start grouping the numbers from right in both the systems. In Indian system of numeration, this is called periods. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are called periods. In this, ones period is having 3 places, 1000 period is having 2 places, and lakhs period consists of 2 places, and crores period consists of 2 periods. But in international system of numeration, each period consists of 3 places. Mostly we will use Indian system of numeration while reading and writing the numbers. When we are writing and reading the numbers, we use commas to avoid the confusion. Is it clear children? Okay then. Now here let us see how to read and write a number. And now we will learn, already you know that, but once again we will revise it, expanded form, standard form. Children, here it is the number. This is 4-digit number. Okay, so this is, we know that ones place, tens place, hundreds place. After that what we will get? Yes, thousands place. Then how before 3 place values we have to keep comma here. So this is 4567. This is called standard form of the number. Now we need to write the expanded form. What is the expanded form? Now we will expand this number according to the place value. So first in ones we have 7. So 7 into 1. In 6 we have 6 into 10. And we have in hundreds place 5. And thousands place 4. Once we familiar with this expanded form, we start writing from this side. How we will write? 4 is in thousands place, 4 into 1000 plus 5 is in hundreds place, 5 into 100 plus 6 is in tens place, 6 equal to 10 plus 7 into 1. Now here this is 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. 60 plus 7. This is the expanded form of the given number. Is it clear, children? Now, and one more important topic is here for us, which is nothing but fundamental operations. Children, you know that clearly. What are the fundamental operations? The 4 fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are also very useful to us in our daily life. If you went to a shop, you purchased something. So we have to calculate there. For that we need this plus and minus, addition and subtraction we need to do. You have 10 rupees. You bought one chocolate for 2 rupees. Okay, you gave shopkeeper to 10 rupees. How much he returned to you? He returned 8 rupees to you. That means you are doing the subtraction. So like that, these fundamental operations are very useful to us in our daily life. Already we done in long and short, addition, subtraction, all these fundamental operations we completed in long and short. Okay children, now let us come to the main topic. Here I have 2 biscuit packets. In these 2, which one is long, which one is short? Yes, this is long and this is short. How can you say that? By seeing you can say that both which one is long and which one is short. Okay, good. Here I have 2 pieces of chalks. In this, which one is long, which one is short? How can you say? Can you say easily by seeing? There is a little bit confusion to us. So, to avoid that confusion, what we have to do? We have to measure these 2 chalks. How we will measure? Yes, by using scale. By using scale, we will measure the length of any object. So, in scale, you will see numbers from, in small scale you can see from 0 to 15, in big scale you can see 0 to 30. So, these are centimeters. So, this is the scale what we use for measurement. Okay ma? Now, what here? So, centimeter we are saying and meter we are saying. So, these centimeter and meter are standard measurements for length. Standard units for length. Okay. Here we know that clearly 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Then half meter it will be good. 50 centimeter. Half of this one. Okay. Already we done conversions and addition, subtraction in that chapter. Once we will revise those things. Okay. Now we will do conversion. Convert 5 meters into centimeters. Then how we will convert? Let us see. 5 meters here we have. 5 meters is equal to 5 into, this can be written as 1 meter. 5 into 1 meter is nothing but how many centimeters? 100 centimeters, which is nothing but 500 centimeters. Means 5 meters is equal to 500 centimeters. What we are doing here? We are converting meters to centimeters. Good. Next, look at one more problem. Let us see another problem. Convert 2 meter 50 centimeters into centimeters. Now we have here 2 meter 50 centimeters. This can be written as 2 meter plus 50 centimeters. Here we have already centimeters, so no need to convert this part. We need to convert only 2 meters. So 2 meters means what? 2 into 1 meter, which is nothing but 2 into 100 plus 50 centimeters. Here this is 200 plus 50, which is nothing but 250 centimeters. So 2 meters 50 centimeters converted into centimeters, which is nothing but 250 centimeters. Okay children, now all of you open your textbook. Children, open your textbook, page number 16. There you have inter-school sports meet. Just look at the textbook and read it. This is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest to the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. So, she is Arundhati. This is the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from the finishing line. Next, behind her, Rehna is. Behind Arundhati, who is there? Rehna. She is Rehna. Konkana and Uma are running behind Rehna. So, here Konkana and Uma, both girls are running behind Rehna. Now, we have to observe this once. Here, observe the distance here once. From finishing, Arundhati is about to finishing line. From here to here, we will measure the, we need to observe the distance. So, we will measure the distance with this chalk. From here, 1, 2. So, 2 times this chalk is here for 6 meters. Okay. And here, observe this length is how much ma? Yes, only 1 chalk means half of the 6 meters. The distance of half of the 6 meters. That means it will become how much? 3 meters. Now here we will see Konkana and Uma. Once we will check the distance here. From here 1, from here to here 2. That means this distance is 6 meters. Now we have the measurements. Now we need to answer the questions. How far is Rehna from Arundhati? How far is Rehna from Arundhati? How far ma? Yes, 3 meters. The distance between Rehna and Arundhati is 3 meters. Now, how far ahead is Rehna from Konkana? Rehna from Konkana and Uma. How far ahead? How far ma? Good. It is 6 meters. Rehna is 6 meters ahead from Konkana and Uma. Now, how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? Here Konkana and Uma are here. This is the finishing line. We need to calculate the total distance. That means we need to add these 3 distances, which is nothing but 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 6 meter. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. The total distance is 15 meters. Now we will see another problem. Children, open your textbook, page number 19. Running race. Here is the question. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took 1 round to the field here. That field is given for us and the side of the field is 500 meters. Okay. How far did he run? 1 round of field he ran means what ma? He started from here. From here he took like this. He ran like this. That means he covered all the sides of the fields. That means 1 round of the field is nothing but sum of all sides of the field. So 1 round equals to sum of all sides of the field. So here write it 500 meters plus 500 meters plus 500 meters plus 500 meters. So add all these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. How many times it's repeated? Yes, 4 times. So 4 into 500 meters, which is nothing but 2000 meters. 2000 meters means how many kilometers, ma? Yes, we know that clearly 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So 2000 meters equals to 2 kilometers. So one round of the park is nothing but 2 kilometers. But Devi Prasad got a problem. The field is very far to his home. So what he done? He chose a park which is nearby his home. But the boundary of the park is 400 meters. So here, but Devi Prasad need to run daily 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers means what? 2000 meters he has to run. But the boundary of the park means the length of the park is here how much? Only 400 meters only. So how many rounds he has to take? That we have to calculate. The length of the boundary of the park, which is nothing but distance covered by Devi Prasad in only one round. He started from here and he took a round here like this, means the length of the boundary of the park means which is nothing but distance covered by Devi Prasad in one round. But total distance to be covered how much? 2000 meters. So number of rounds needed to complete 2000 meters equals to 2000 meters by, in one round how many meters, ma? 400 meters. You need to calculate. 1 0 you have to cancel. So 4 in 20 how many times it will go, ma? Do you know 4 table? Tell me. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are good 20. So 5 times. So how many rounds he need to take? 5 rounds. So Devi Prasad need to take 5 rounds to the park. Children, now open your textbook page number 20. From Kozhikode to Talsari. Here read the problem carefully. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Talsari, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. See here, from this point, Subodh is going to Kozhikode. What is the distance here? 24 kilometers. From this point, Kozhikode is 24 kilometers. Manjani is going to Talsari in the opposite direction. Means Subodh is going this side, means Manjani is going to that side. So the distance is here 46 kilometers. Now we need to find out how far is Kozhikode from Talsari. Kozhikode from Talsari means the distance between these two we have to find out. These two places we have to find out. So what we have to do? We have to add these distances. How far is Kozhikode from Talsari? Means the distance of Kozhikode from Talsari is from the distance from this point plus the distance from this point to Talsari. So which is nothing but 24 kilometers plus 46 kilometers. We need to add. So while adding that, if you want to do, you can do it here. 24 plus 46. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So which is nothing but 70 kilometers. Children, that's all for today's class. And in the description box of this video, I am giving you worksheet. And you have one interesting thing also there. Children, do you want to become a champion? Yes, everyone want to become a champion. So you have to play that game. Who is the champion? That PPT also I am enclosing to you in the description box. Play it and enjoy the game. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. Miss you. Bye children.